Welcome to another session of this course. And in this session, we are going to be building and programming a lamp stand or a lamp. The materials for the course are displayed already. We have our screwdriver here. We have our LED strip here. We have our micro bits. We have screws to connect the micro bit to the ring bit. And then we have Legos. So let's briefly run through the names of the Legos. What we have here are called 1x9 beams. And why? The one there comes from the fact that it is just one column, and the 9 there comes from the fact that there are 9 holes there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one column by 9 holes. So 1x9 beam. We've got 3x5 H-shaped beams, perpendicular. H-shaped, 3, 1, 2, 3 by 5. The stem here, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3x5. And then perpendicular there is trying to say that the 1x3 beams are meeting the 1x5 stem here at an angle 90 degrees. And H shaped, we've got 3x5 L shaped beam also. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we've got 1x15 beams. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we've got pins and 3L pins. These pins, the difference between these pins and these 3L pins is that these pins can connect 2 beams together, while these can connect up to 3 beams together. I have pin connectors here. And finally, we have a frame. So the next thing we want to do now is to build the lamp stand. Now, the first thing we want to do is to pick a frame and then insert 2 pins here, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Let's do that real quick. Good. So now we're going to pick the 3x5 H-shaped beam and then connect here and also here. The next thing we want to do is to add 2 pins here, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Then we're going to add 2 then we're going to add 2 3x5. Then we're going to add these 2 3x5 L-shaped beams. The next thing is to add 2 pin connectors here, one here, and the other one here. Let's go. Okay. Then we're going to connect pins to them. Then 1x9 beam goes here. The next thing we want to do is to flip this the other way and then insert 2 pins here, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Then after inserting these two, the 4 pins, we get two 1x9 pins, and then like this. Then 4 more pins here, two on this side and two on this side. Like this. Then we're going to pick two 1x15 pins and then connect them here. Just like this. The next thing we want to do is to insert two 3L pins here, one here and then one here. So don't insert it like this. It's not going to go through because of this stopper here. So turn it the other way because we need one face of the pin. We need each face of the pin to show on both ends. Then we are going to get 4 pin connectors, two here, like this, and then like this. Let them face inside. Then this one's here and here. Then two 1x15 beams are going to connect here. One like this. Like this. So we're going to pick one 1x9 beam and then two 3L pins. Let's put this here. Then we'll have this. Then another 1x9 beam. Then another 1x9 beam. And then one more. Now we're going to connect 4 pins. Now we're going to insert 4 pins, two on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll bring back our lamp stand and then connect like this. Then the other end also like this. So the next thing is to add 2 pins here, 1, 2, to hold our micro bits like this. Good. So now let's connect our micro bits to the ring bits and then place it here. Here we go. So let's bring our lamp stand back and then we connect the ring bits just like this to the pins. And here we go. So let's bring our LED. So let's bring our LED strip and then wind it around here, making sure that the female end So the first thing we want to do is to connect this female end to any of the pins on the ring bits. So there are 3 pins here. So let's just connect it in the order of yellow, red, and black to anyone. So I'm connecting it to pin 2. So I'm connecting it to pin 2. So we're going to use that. Take note of that as we're going to use it as we program. Then the other end goes this way. You can just wind it around, round and around. This. So the other end can come this way. Just stands here. So right here. So we've got our lamp stand. The next thing we want to do now is to program the lamp stand.
I'm on my browser already, and I'm just going to come to search bar and enter make the microbit.org. Then the next thing we're going to come next to the next thing we're going to do now is to click on new project, and then we enter the name of the project, that is lamp. Now that it has loaded, we will need an extension to control the LED, and that extension is new pixel. Stop, please. And then we'll click on extensions. Then we'll come here and enter new pixel. Yeah, so this is it here. Now we want, when we press button A, the lamp should come up, and the light should be rainbow color. So we don't need this forever block, but the first thing we need to do is to initialize the LED. To get it set for work, we need to assign a pin to the LED. So we'll click on new pixel, and then we'll come to set strip to new pixel at pin P0, this block here, and then we'll snap it here. So this whole code means that the LED is going to be communicating with the microbit via pin P0. So if it's not on pin P0 on the ring bit that's connected to the microbit, then there's going to be a problem. The light is not going to come up. So the LED has to be connected to pin P0. So now we need to come to input and drag out one button A pressed, so that whenever we press button A, the lamp should show rainbow color. So we'll come to new pixel and drag out show rainbow from 1 to 360. Drag it and place it here. So with this, when we press button A, it's going to show us a rainbow color. So let's try it out on the simulator here. So once I press the button A here, it shows me a rainbow color. So we need to turn the lamp off by pressing button B. So we come here and drag out on button A pressed again and change A to B. Now we come to the new pixel, but there is no block as turn off light or turn off. There is no block as such on the extension. So what we're going to do is we are going to drag out show color red and place it here. Now now it is evident. Now there is no lamp that shows the color black. Black is not the light. So the black there means the LED is going to turn off. So we are going to come here and click on black. Turn button B pressed, show color black. So with this code, when we press button A, it's going to show the rainbow color, provided the LED strip is connected to pin 0 on the ring bit. And when we press button B, it's going to show the color black. That is going to turn